Hi everyone, so today we're gonna talk about the upcycle project of the red carpet with George Brown. I'm the lead creative designer for the project. So come along, I'm gonna show you how to do these stitches for our carpet. We're just gonna do two simple stitch. So we have the circular stitch and the straight stitch. As you can see, some of our volunteers are already doing them, so you wanna introduce yourself to who you are?
My name is Flavia, and I stitch these in the circles to create our red carpet.
Right, and then we have...
Hi, I'm Berta Pavlov, and I've started this section here, and I've used a circle, and I'm going to incorporate maybe some of the straight stitch so that I vary my stitches and give it some interest.
So, and then we have our new volunteer. Your name are?
My name is Fracassa.
Right.
Yeah.
And what are you doing right now?
Right now I'm just patching this fabric to the red carpet. So I just start my designing.
As you can see that we have a variety of things. So basically we just do patch stitches on top of a piece of material. So the whole idea is there's story for each patch that we add on. So everybody create their own stitch. And as Winnie told me that I actually have a saying, I didn't realize it. So there is the perfect and the imperfection of the piece. So every piece is actually a story on its own. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So we encourage anybody to come in and put your own statement on the project. So I'm going to show you how to do them quickly. So we have the straight stitch here already done. So what that does is I just basically measure here and I just draw a straight line, yeah? And then basically I go in and do the stitch. Now I'm going to do the freehand stitching. Freehand stitch in the circular motion like this. So basically I thread it about 3/4 thread and pass through wax that I already prepared, and then I just start anywhere really. So I'm gonna do a circle around like this. So if you watch, we're gonna go quickly with this. So just stitch by done. So we do a bigger stitch here. And then we go back, so right here, so you follow along what you already done on top. And then we just create a circle from there and make sure you don't get stuck. So see, you get the little stick here, so you put your hand in the little circle and then just let the thread pass through, and that's it. So we just continue, so we just follow a little bit, and so right now I'm going to turn around to make a new circle. So if you watch, I'm going to add from here to there. So hold the thread like this so you don't get all mangled. And then right here, so right on top of the previous stitch. So make sure you tackle the fabric underneath as well. So you just plan ahead where is your next circle stitches. Oops, so you see it get caught because my hand is not in there, so you can just back up. Not a big deal. Do a little run and then everything's smooth out again. It's very simple. Yeah. And then as you can see, we already got the circle started already. And sometimes it happens, right? So you get stuck. You have scissors.
Yes.
To cut
There
it
are
out.
no mistakes.
So as you can see, it's very, very simple. Come by. So we're here every Thursday and Friday at 6 to 9 p.m. And what section is this? Where are we? So we're in
We're in C445,
C4.
George Brown College, Casa Loma campus.
There you go.
Very good.
So hope to see you here and contribute to the project.
Yes.
Ciao.